Compact trim routers put a lot of power in the palm of your hand, but their tiny bases can wobble at the worst possible moment. Give your trim router a more solid footing with Woodpeckers StabilMax trim router base. StabilMax attaches to the fixed base of today's most popular corded and cordless trim routers. The elongated extension and hand grip combine to give you the leverage you need to easily keep the router vertical as you go around corners and across narrow sections of pattern routing projects. As you go around a corner, pivot the handle so it is the center of the arc, and you'll keep your router vertical through that tricky area right at the apex. But we didn't stop with just a bigger footprint. We also made StabilMax the ideal base for template guide bushing work. The mounting holes are slightly oversized and counterbored, so you can center the plate on the router collet. Put the included centering pin in the collet. Adjust the depth so the pin engages the guide bushing. Lock the base and replace the centering pin with your router bit. You're ready for flawless guide bushing routing with your trim router. StabilMax fits trim routers from Bosch, DeWalt, Makita, Porter Cable, Rigid, and Ryobi. Visit our website to see the complete list of model numbers. StabilMax expands what your trim router can do and helps it do a better job too. Order yours today.